Welcome to NexTechie X-Force. The Brief. Mapping the weekly pulse of global military innovation. Let's get rolling.
This is The Brief on the U.S. military's urgent pivot to high-speed defense tech. You know, the Pentagon is drastically rewriting its playbook right now to prioritize speed and mass over traditional processes, fundamentally shifting how it fields weapons, builds aircraft, and integrates artificial intelligence. First, looking at the sheer speed of the weapons themselves. The Army is literally weeks away from fully equipping its first operational battery with the Dark Eagle Long-Range Hypersonic Weapon. To counter adversaries in the Indo-Pacific, they're using a radical deploy now, validate later approach. I mean, imagine buying a high-performance car and hitting the highway before the crash tests are fully finished. That's exactly how critical the military views this strategic gap. Second, transitioning from fast missiles to fast production. Anduril Industries has launched hyperscale production of the Fury collaborative combat aircraft and autonomous loyal wingman drone. Seriously, why rely on a few incredibly expensive, irreplaceable knights when you can just flood the board with highly capable pawns? We're actively moving toward the affordable mass production of thousands of these software-defined autonomous systems. Finally, let's talk about the digital brains running this whole show. Think of it like a massive corporate breakup. The government formally blacklisted the AI firm Anthropic because they refused to waive their safety guardrails for military use. So, ditching hesitant partners to build a ruthless in-house workforce at wartime speed, the Pentagon is pivoting to secure classified contracts with XAI and OpenAI. They're even empowering non-programmers to build over 20,000 internal AI agents using a simple no-code tool called Agent Builder. Ultimately, whether it is hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, or rapid AI adoption, the future of global defense is being defined by affordable mass and unprecedented urgency.
This was NexTechie X-Force, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.